Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. The day today is Friday 18th December 2020. Our subject is English grammar and our topic is continuous. So we have done already indefinite tense, the three of present, past and future. Now we will start continuous tense and we will start with present. Okay? So when to use continuous tense, but before that we have to understand what is the meaning of continuous. The meaning of continuous, when the something is keep going or non-stop, is called continuous. For example, I am teaching. I am teaching you right now. Okay, I didn't stop, so it is continue. Lecture is continue. So when to use things that are happening now. What is happening now? I am teaching you and you are learning. Okay, so it is continue. For plans in near present, we can say that I am flying to Dubai tomorrow. This is the near present. Okay, near present. It may be happen tomorrow. Okay, so now start. What we have to learn first of all, to be. What is to be? To be is helping verb. Helping verbs are also called to be. So which helping verbs will be used in present continuous? Am, is and are. What we will use? Am, is and are. Okay, so with singular form, when we are talking about one person, one thing, we said it is singular, and more than one, it's called plural. You know that very well. With singulars we will use is, he is, she is, it is, and the nouns. Nouns may be any name of any person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, we will use is with them. And I will be use with I. We will only with I. We will use am. Okay, for plurals we will use are. We will use are. So here is one thing we have to know. Verbs to be in present we will use. In present we will use am, is, are. What we will use? Am, is, are. So now look at this. Am, is, are plus ing. What we will use? Am, is, are plus ing. Here is an example when we are talking about cook. I am cooking. He is cooking. She is cooking. It is cooking. So this is the continuous family, verb to be plus ing. Verb to be plus ing. This is verb to be and this is ing. The continuous family is verb to be plus ing. I have already told you, don't break that family. Okay, don't break that family. I already told you what is the meaning of verb to be. Helping verbs or is, are, am is called verb to be, and ing we will use with first form of verb. We will continue it now. Now here are few examples. Look at these sentences. I am talking on the phone. We are cooking dinner. Ali is walking in the garden. These all sentences are in present continuous tense. Now how to form present continuous tense, or how to make present continuous tense? We are talking about affirmative. Okay, simple sentences are called affirmative. Subject, what is the subject? He, she, it, or any noun, they are called subject. Plus verb to be or is, rm. What we have? Verb to be is, rm plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Okay, I have already explained it so many times what is the meaning of subject, object and verb. You are well aware with that, but I will also tell you again about them. Okay, examples. I am working late. I is subject, am verb to be or helping verb, work is first form, and what we had added with it? Ing. Working, it becomes working late. You are talking too fast. He is watching television. Now, how to make negative? How to make negative present continuous negative? What we will do? First of all, we have to write subject. After that, helping verb, which is or which are is, are, am plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. How we will know? I is subject, am is helping verb, not we have added to make it negative. First form wait, and we have added ing, it becomes waiting for you. You are not looking for me. You is subject, are helping verb, not we have added to make it negative. Look is first form and we have added ing, it becomes looking for me. He is not sleeping late. She is not talking on phone. I am not freezing. Okay, so this was continuous negative. Now we will learn about question or interrogative. Helping verb or verb to be will come in place of subject. So first of all we are going to write is rm. After that we will write subject. It may be he, she, it, they, or you can write any name or nouns plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So now are helping verb or verb to be, we, subject, going, go is the first form of verb, we have added ing, it becomes going. In the right direction, are we going in the right direction? Are helping verb, you, subject, arrive, first form of verb, we had added ing, it becomes arriving. By ferry, is she eating her lunch? Is helping verb, she, subject, eating. Eat is first form of verb. We have added ing. It becomes eating her lunch. Is she eating her lunch? So beta, hopefully it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, that how to make the sentence. It is so easy to make continuous tense, present, past, and future all almost same. These three are same. Only helping verbs will be changed. We will inshallah study post continuous on Monday inshallah. So you have to just remember verb to be plus ing. Verb to be is rm, ing we have added ing with first form of verb. So this is end of our lecture. Hopefully it you enjoyed it or you can understand it. If you have any kind of problem you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.